What's up, well, it's your hustle coach Jewel here, and I'm back again to do another video. Y'all, class is in session, so make sure you get out your pens, your pads, because today we're talking about how to invest in ourselves, right? So this is a Temu haul. Before we do that, I need to shout out my gang. I need to shout out my squad. Where are my mother-loving jewelers? People who've been liking, the people who've been subscribing. Yeah, I'm talking to you, my baby. Today, y'all, we are talking about how I use Temu to invest in my office, in me, y'all. So if you like content like this, be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay with your hustle coach, because I'm here to help you hustle mentally, physically, financially, and spiritually, y'all. So don't miss an episode. First thing first, you all, my favorite, well, one of my favorite pieces, I bought this rug. It's a hole. Why is you here? Definitely love this rug, y'all. I don't know where I'm going to put it because it's so cute that I don't want people to like step on it. Also, I bought some waist beads. It's because I'm that girl, y'all. This video is going to be going fast because I'm fighting between storage, so you have to keep up with your pen and your pad, get your screenshots ready. So I bought that. I also bought a feeder for my dog. Her name's Diamond. Y'all have seen her on my TikTok a bunch of times. I just saw the girls doing this on TikTok, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna buy my dog one. I also bought my cat a little harness because I want to start clipping her nails, y'all, but she be attacking me. Gabby is so bad. You gotta be a bad bitch with the lashes. You just can't complain with lashes, you know. So I got these, very dramatic, very cute. You will be seeing this in some of my videos. Yeah, let's talk about all these press-ons. I didn't mean to buy all of these press-ons.
Stop the cap.
They just so happen to be bought. I don't like having nails on for a long period of time. I really like having nails on when I shoot content. So now would be a good time to have on nails, and I don't. So this is what I buy them for. I have a drawer full of press-ons, y'all. And these the one that Temu had. I don't know what they're giving necessarily, but like when I review them, y'all be the first to know. This for my dryer, just so I don't be causing no house fires because I don't got the first bottle to pay it back. I believe this is an anklet. I will have the prices and stuff up there, so y'all will be able to see. Okay, bought a satin bonnet. One of the big boys. But I want to put like some Zeta stuff on there because I am a Zeta. So this is the bonnet here. They're like a little baby bonnet. But I'm going to put like Z5B or something on the back. A bunch of nose ring. This came damaged. I don't know if the camera going to pick that up, but it's kind of like cricky. So that's broke. Shout out to Temu. I'm trying to get like my little stuff out the way so I can show y'all like the techie stuff I bought. This in this bag here, I have a bunch of like nose rings. I'm just gonna show you all a couple. Like I said, I'm fighting between my life and storage. You can probably see it from the back of it. Yeah, there you go. I bought this like earring. These are cancers. If y'all can see the 69 or the, I don't think it's a 69. So this, boom. I have this little cross. It looks pretty. I will also take out and invest in like necklace extenders just in case this stuff comes too small. But this is what it's giving y'all. It's so cute. I got this little doohickey here for when I'm like frying chicken. I can like clamp it and stuff. And the cross. I love the Lord, so I stay buying crosses. No, I bought. So content with the nails about to be fire. And this is how this one came to. This nail off like this. Temu do better. I bought a toothbrush for my dog. Let's get into some gadgets, y'all. I got this right here. This is a portable, like, put your phone in the shower type of vibe so you can record. I definitely wanted this so I can record more like like washing my locks or just like stuff where I want to get different angles that I need my phone to be protected underneath like water and stuff. So I definitely bought that. This bad boy here is a microphone that y'all will be seeing now. This microphone's supposed to be gold. Let's see if it's gold, because I for sure purchased. And it's gold, y'all. It's cute. Look at it. My little microphone for my content. We got a box. Let's see what it is. This is my infinity water bottle. The girls know if the girls know for the hair. So I got the big bottle. Oh, y'all, make sure that y'all are shopping on Temu, because Temu is cheaper than TikTok shop. Don't say I didn't warn you. I also got the viral face ID, so it moves when you move. Definitely wanted that. It connect to a tripod. It's definitely gonna get a lot of content. I feel like it's going to be visually pleasing, because I feel like I struggle with that. A camera memory card reader. So I got this for my iPhone because storage is a mug, which is why I'm brushing against the clock. And this is a brush to clean my shoes that I purchased. These right here are some posters. Y'all know the posters are cute. It's giving. Where's the posters go? They're right here. Some of this stuff I did open up and see because I was a little thirsty. So this is the first sign, and I thought it was really cute. A very blessed girl is what I am. This smells like roach spray. Like you don't know what roach spray smell like. But that's what it gives, y'all. I don't know. This is the second one, sis crown with the $100 bill. And this is the third one, I love being a black woman. And you. Another nice content creator pieces. I bought this wireless microphone so the audio can be audioing, measurement equivalent, because I'm trying to be healthy and I'm big my back. Hold on, y'all can now you can see. TikTok, y'all do need to count y'all fucking days, because this right here was supposed to be like a thin ass tape that glow in the dark. I was gonna use it on my stairs. First of all, look how thin it is. And then look how small it is. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the pictures and you gonna be like, you fucking for real. This is one of the viral like sync adjustments or sync things that, you know, it can go up, you can swivel it, you can, you know, water fountain it, you can do whatever. So I bought this for my bathroom. Hopefully it works. Y'all, I am obsessed with this item right here, y'all. So one of the creators on TikTok, I was watching his page, and I'm gonna tag him below, and he said that you need to have some things in your background that are like conversation starters. So y'all, I think one of my items, if you know about the folding chair, shout out to my people in Alabama. Did you know what this folding chair gives? And I think I'm gonna put like the Black Lives Matter fist on here somewhere. But this is gonna be a prop on my desk, and I thought it was a good conversation starter for people who know. And yeah, I thought this was so cute. And I have them in different colors, so if one of my friends want one, I want the one in black. But y'all can have the rest of these for my friends that are watching. Just some shower rod hangers. They have the hooks on both sides, so you don't have to put your shower linen on like the one side. You can put one on one side and one on the other side, if that makes sense. I do have packs, so I needed an infinite lint roller. I don't know how good this works, but we're going to find out. Waist beads, some more waist beads. This is another, this is another nose ring, but the gem has fallen out of it. Temu, count your days. I got some lock retwister crochet needle things for my hair. This is supposed to be a lint collector. You could put it in the dryer to collect lint. The Cancer bracelet. And this right here are vanity lights. I did not know I purchased these, but now that I have them, they're here to stay. I got this. I also got one of the self-holding tripods with the light and the microphone. I don't know if you could piece it together like this with the light. It does take AA batteries. I was carrying around my thick ass tripod with me in my book bag, and it wasn't giving that. So I'm glad I purchased that. All things I got now with some facial stuff. I guess this is a steamer. Put it on like this, child. Booga booga booga. You put it on like that. You can steam it. It could be. It's a hot compressed towel. I also got a car cell phone holder so I can make content from out my car. I got some black African sponges for exfoliating. I got this another like slow feeder, so when I'm washing my dog in the shower, she can focus on this instead of on the water. I got a bunch of earrings. Now these earrings are like screwbacks because I necessarily can't do the ones that poke on the back, so I can't keep earrings on. But these are gold, and they come in like a variety of like sizes and like shapes, but they look cute. They screwbacks. When I want to change my ear, when I want to change my ear and the piercings I have in it, I'll do that. That was my Temu haul. Like I said, a lot of this stuff I didn't necessarily mean to get, but it was got in the first place, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see my office. I can't wait for y'all to see what's in my content bag, so you can know as a content creator what you need to have in your bag, or just a hustler in general, right? If you want me to link each and every item, let me know. All right, y'all. So that is my video, y'all. If y'all like the investments I made, let me know in the comments what you can add to yours, what you can take away from this. Y'all, I'm here to help you hustle mentally, physically, financially, and spiritually. So if you like content like this, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I love you. God loves you. And till then, keep hustling. Bye.